Friends, if you also want to transfer your old phone contacts to new smartphone, then today's video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to tell you 3 methods how you can transfer your old phone's contact to new smartphone. So let's start our today's video without any further delay. Friends, first of all, let's understand our first method. In this method, we will manually transfer the contacts to same brand smartphones, like old Xiaomi phone to new Xiaomi phone or old Samsung phone to new Samsung phone. For this, first of all, let's open the dialer pad in our old phone. Here, click here. Here you can see all of the contacts are appeared here. Here you will find an option or symbol of settings. You have to simply click on it. Here you have to search for option import export contacts and click on it. Here you will get many options in import export section. But if you want to transfer contacts from old phone to new phone, then you have to simply click on export. After clicking on export to storage, you will get that kind of message, export contacts. In this message, address will be shown. Here the file of your contacts will be saved in VCF form. You have to remember that address and click on OK. After click on OK, you will get a message, file.vcf exported shortly. After this, you have to simply transfer this VCF file to your new smartphone. Here our file is in download folder. Open file manager and open the download folder. Here you can see our file is here. You have to simply send this file to your new smartphone. Here you can use any method to transfer this file. You can use WhatsApp also and another methods also. So we will send this with WhatsApp. Here we successfully send our contacts file to new smartphone. So let's open our new smartphone here. So friends, here we are on our new phone. So simply first of all, you have to download your VCF file. Here we have sent this VCF file by WhatsApp. So we will download it. Here the first file is here. Here you can see the file is here. First contact is showing here and showing VCF. Download it. Here you have to close the WhatsApp. Now you have to simply click on dialer pad here. Click on contacts. Here you can see no contacts are available here. Here you have to simply click on settings. Here you have to simply click on import export contacts. Last time we export the contacts to storage, but this time we have to import. So you have to simply click on import from storage. Click on it. Here you have to select any Google account or your Xiaomi or Samsung account. So I will select here. After that, you have to simply locate your file here and click on it. After that, you will get that kind of message, import vCard. You have to simply click on OK. The message will appear, the file will be imported shortly. You have to wait. Here you can see contacts are appearing here. Maybe it can take 5 minutes or more. So here our contacts are successfully imported here. But if your new phone does not have these options and you have Google Contacts app, then you have to simply follow second method here. Here you have to simply open Google Contacts app. After that, you have to simply click on Organize option. Here you have to simply come down. Here in Device section, you will find the Import option. You have to simply click on it. After that, if your device have multiple Gmail accounts, then the all accounts will be shown here. You have to simply select your Gmail account here. After that, you have to simply select that VCF file that we exported from old device. Your contacts will be imported in 5 minutes. You have to wait. Here you can see contacts are appearing here. To check the progress, you have to simply click on Organize here. Here you can see 1012 contacts in your Google account. So our contacts are importing here. But if this method does not work for you, then you have to transfer your contacts from old phone to new phone 100% through the last and third methods. Friends, this method mostly used if your old and new smartphone have different brands and there's no import option in your new smartphone. For this, you have to simply open your phone's settings. After opening the settings, you have to come down and click on Google. Here in Google, you will get many options. From here, you have to simply choose all services and come down. After this, you will get to see the option Restore Contacts in the Backup and Restore section. You have to simply click on it. After this, on next page, you have to simply select Google Contacts Sync Settings. After this, a link will be appeared. You have to simply click on it. That's Google Contacts official website link. On next page, first of all, you have to simply click on Stay on Web. Here you can see Import Contacts option is available here. You have to simply click on it. Here you have to select that VCF file and click on Import. After that, your contacts will be imported here. But if your Google account already have any contact, then you have to follow next steps. Here you can see the option Import Contacts is not available here. So what we have to do in this case, you have to simply click on 3 lines. After that, you have to simply select Import option. Here you have to simply select that VCF file. Click on it. Click on Import. Now, here you can see all of the contacts are here and all the contacts will come in your new phone as well, just like they have come in your old phone. So friends, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, then like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.